Just another quick one, guys. If you bought yourself the DJI Mic 2, one of those, you'll know that it's got that magnetic block on the back of it. That comes off. You can stick that on the inside of your shirt, jumper, whatever you're wearing, and then clip the Mic 2 on the outside of your shirt, and that magnet will hold it wherever you want to hold it. For those of you that fix the actual mic into your helmet, maybe just in front of the cheek pad like I do, I bought myself some of this stuff. This is actually called rubber steel. That's not magnetic itself. You peel that white paper off, it's self-adhesive, and it is actually called Mag rubber steel. You get 2 sheets in there, and all I've done is I've cut myself off probably a square that size, and I've stuck that on the inside of my helmet just in front of the cheek pad, and as you can see, the white paper peels off, and that allows you to stick it. It's quite flexible, so it will shape to the actual shape of your helmet. But I mean, the good thing is that when you stick it to it, when that mic is stuck to it, you cannot shake it off. It's magnetized brilliant. And yet if you want to, you can just slide it off. He says, there you go, slides off. But I mean, it's when it holds it, it really, yeah, look, can't get that off of there now. Watch this. It gets a real good hold on it. Bloody good stuff. 2 sheets of that on Amazon, a £5. I say that isn't magnetized itself, but it's magnet receptive. So if you had like fridge magnets, say you wanted to stick that on somewhere, and then you can stick your fridge magnets up, or use the magnet to hold notes that are pinned to it. So I thought I'll buy that for the sake of a £5. But it's bloody good stuff. Like I say, gets a good hold. Just an idea. Cheers for now.